This cabbage fried rice is quick and easy, but you'll not forget how delicious this meal tastes in a hurry. To make this, you need meat stock. So in a pot, I'm going to add some turkey wings, add some onion, some green seasoning. I'll leave a link on how you can make your own green seasoning at home in the comment section. Next, add some grated garlic and ginger, some seasoning, salt, a little bit of curry powder and thyme. Add water and allow to cook until it is done. So while that is cooking, I'm going to prep some ingredients. First is the cabbage, which is the star of this dish. You want to take out the core and slice it just like so, and then set aside. Today's hug is for Peace Omorodion, watching from Nigeria. I'm glad you love the recipes. Please let me know where you're watching from so I can send you a hug in my next video. So I've chopped up some carrots and some spring onion. Everything is ready now. I'm going to set it aside. Another thing I'm adding is smoked beef sausage. In place of this, you can use chicken, beef, gizzard, liver, whatever it is you have, okay? So I'm going to cut it up nicely and set aside. The meat is done now. Scoop it out and then fry or air fry if you prefer. So to my rice, I'm going to add some hot water. This is boiling water. Cover and let it sit for a good 7 minutes. Come back, stir it around, and then wash really well with salt multiple times until the water runs clear. To a pot, I'm going to add some butter. This is actually a homemade garlic herb butter. The link will be in the comment section. So now add the washed rice and fry this on medium-high heat for 5 to 7 minutes until it turns pale brown like this. Next, you want to add the meat stock. I hope you didn't throw it out. Add it now and top it up with water so that the liquid and the rice is at the same level. Now you always want to add your meat stock before you add seasoning, because remember our meat stock was properly seasoned. Once you add it, you can now taste and adjust with seasoning if necessary. So I'm adding a little bit more seasoning cube and some all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to stir this and allow to cook until it is about 70 to 80% done. So while that is cooking, in another pot, I'm going to add some more butter, add some oil, and then fry the onion and the spring onion for about 2 minutes. Then go in with the grated garlic and ginger, a little bit more. Garlic and ginger is very delicious in fried rice. Try adding it, okay? So add that and stir for another 1 minute, and then add the sausages. Once I add the sausage, I like to fry this for a little bit, maybe 2 minutes, just so it browns a little. Then I'm going to add a chopped cabbage, the carrot. The carrot is actually optional here, but it's going to help elevate the crunch in this meal. So add the carrot and the cabbage, season with seasoning and some oregano, and then stir to combine. Take it off the heat immediately. You don't want to overcook this at all. At this time, I check on the rice. Our rice is done. I'm going to pour in our fried vegetable now, and then stir fry this rice on high heat for another 3 to 5 minutes so that everything is properly locked in and our cabbage rice is ready. Let me know if you get to try this out, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.